Oh, let's see this. I'm not paying attention. My retirement.
What's in there now?
The maximum retirement pension is $1,012. If I was 65 today, I would get a retirement pension of $220.30. If I retire at 60, I'll get $141 a year.
Oh, let's do it again. Let's do it twice.
And if I was 65 today, I would get $220.42 a month for retirement. So I get